bro.
Leave that thing open for now. Ooh. It's gonna be a chill one for me. It's stretched out again.
Alright, you ready to start? I'm heading out.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna go like this. It's gonna be pretty warm for you.
Enough of them are bloodsuckers. Why do good people suffer? Bonane the fire burn the wicked ones them. Bonane the fire burn the liar ones them. So this a song, this a wanna anthem. Burn corruption, flame the fire upon them. Every day when we get up and watching the news, man I get killed but them they hiding the truth. Them no really care, them not no fear. Keep telling the lies, yeah, the fooling the youths. Them a lie, them a lie, them a lie. Lies a name of the wickedness. Them a lie, them a lie, them a lie. A lot of them are bloodsuckers. Enough of them are bloodsuckers. I see more people suffer. Enough of them are bloodsuckers. Why do good people suffer?
Propaganda, immer instigator. Drives personal benefit from his boss and son. Economical gangster, you are lousy actor. Even in a bachelor world, you know the Oscar.
Nah, I need to get more footage.
We suck.